Lesson 38, Automatic Subtotals. In this lesson, we'll take a look at adding subtotals the old-fashioned way and the fast way. Well, here we have a data set. It has 563 rows of data plus a heading, columns for region, product, date, customer, quantity, revenue, cost of goods sold, and profit. Let's say that our manager wants to see totals by customer. Well, of course, the first thing we would do is sort the data by customer. So on the Data tab, choose the A to Z button. And now we basically have a couple of choices. Let's take a look at adding customer totals the old-fashioned way. If I would page down to between the first customer and the second customer, I could insert a new row, Home, Insert, Insert Sheet Rows, and type the customer name again. Now, to put in totals here, of course, on the Formulas tab, we can hit the great big Auto Sum button, and it will propose a total. We could then grab the fill handle to copy those totals across. Maybe apply some bold, back on the Home tab. Okay, let's scroll down to find the break between the second and third customers. Now, a fast way to insert rows is to use the Alt-I-R shortcut. Type the word total, and a faster way to add all of the totals at once is to use the Auto Sum button when all 4 cells are selected. Or you can use the Alt = shortcut key to do the same thing. You notice that this added all of the subtotals, and we'll do Control B for bold so we don't have to go back to the Home tab. Okay, so best case, you could probably do about 3 of these per minute. With 25 customers today, it's only 8 or 9 minutes, but if you had hundreds of customers, you would be doing this for hours. Well, let me delete these manual subtotals, and we'll take a look at a much faster way to go. Again, in this method, the data has to be sorted by whatever field we want to subtotal. So on the Data tab, make sure to click the A to Z button, and it'll sort the data by customer. But now, rather than manually inserting rows, we go over to the Subtotal command on the Data tab. The Subtotal command always wants to subtotal by the leftmost column and add the subtotal to the rightmost column. But we can override those defaults. At each change in customer, use the sum function for all of our numeric fields. If I wanted every customer on their own page, I could page break between groups, but I'm not going to do that. Click OK, and very quickly, Excel has done basically what I was doing the old-fashioned way. Inserted a new row, and at each new row, it's using the subtotal function instead of the sum function to give us totals. At the end of the data set, you'll see that it inserts a grand total with the total of all of the records. Now, over the next several lessons, we'll be taking a look at several other things you can do once you've added the subtotals in. Automatic subtotals are a great way to very quickly shorten a horrible manual process. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.